It's 5:45 and I'm going out for the walk. Hello doggy. Are you a friendly one? Okay, this dog is in a protective mode now. He just stood up. I better run away before the dog gets angry. Come on. They're not letting me explore the village. Camera.
कैमरा करेक्ट எதுக்கு இது क्या
ऐसे ही गाँव देख रहा हूँ.
ये कैमरा के எதுக்கு இது
तुमको हमको क्या था प्रॉब्लम नहीं करता पूछ रहा नहीं
चलो ठीक है, बाय बाय.
चल अच्छा नहीं
So I have stirred up the entire village, it seems. Where am I going now? So I connected to the main road again. I like this village better, but unfortunately I could not do my thing here. I don't have to go to the main road, it seems. There is another pathway for me to explore. So I'm going to go this way. A big giant stack of hay. Yeah, piss off dog. They keep their buffaloes and cows here, it seems. It's their food. Is it? Yeah, I guess so. Yesterday I saw some buffalo eating this hay. Now, he's looking to be friendly with me now. Is it? Beautiful. Although there is no village here, nonetheless, it is beautiful. The texture of this hill and the grass, the color of the grass, and the contrast that it brings into the frame. Very nice. This dog is now looking to be friends with me. Aren't you? Mr. Dog. Doggy. Hello. Ignoring me, huh? Is it a woman? Oh, you're shitting. It's a he. So seems like there's another village up ahead where this man is going, but I don't see it as far as I can see, and this drizzle is still on. So if it starts pouring right now, I'm going to lose both of these cameras because there's no way to hide under the shed to protect myself from the rain. Are all these dogs men? Is there no woman with you? Okay, I'm going to turn back now. Another man. There's no women dog population here. That's why these dogs are grumpy all the time, because they don't have women around. The dog women. That explains. Guys, the drizzle has increased. Can you see the water on my camera? Can you? And can you also see the water on the lens of the camera I'm shooting with? There's a shed there. I can go there, and I will go there. Let's invade. Is anyone here? There's no one here. It's not a place for a human to live. It's for the cattle. Oh, it's starting to rain now. Really? When I felt the drizzle in the morning, I didn't think it was about to rain. Guess I was wrong. So I'm gonna have to be stranded here for God knows how long. There's no way I can go out with my 2 cameras in this rain. It is 6:30 right now. And the sky is not very clear. It's actually lots of black clouds. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. I'll wait it out. Talk to you guys after some time when the rain stops. So guys, while I'm here waiting for the rain to stop, I've decided to do something crazy for you guys. So I just stepped into this hut or whatever you call it, and I'm going to explore the inside of this. Let me turn on my torch. Look at this. Look at that. If it starts pouring heavily, this is my only shelter. I'm going to have to be stranded inside this place to protect myself from this damn untimely rain. Let's see how it looks from inside if I point the camera towards the door. And now let's go out. Can I make a good thumbnail out of it? My shelter for the rain. My shelter for the untimely rain. I might use this for my thumbnail. The rain is still on. It's not too heavy, but heavy enough that I can't go out. And seems to be increasing. Yep, it is increasing. Nothing else to tell you right now. I've shown you this place. I did everything that I could to make this place interesting for you. But the luck is not supporting me today, this morning. I'll keep waiting. Guys, I was thinking, what if the rain doesn't stop? Because it's increased now, and it's been about 15 minutes and it's not stopping. So if it keeps on increasing, I was thinking what I could do, and I could think of an idea that I'm going to share with you. So I started looking for a piece of plastic bag, a piece of plastic or a plastic bag, which is very commonly found on Indian streets. And here I'm not finding one. But I saw something here. This is a plastic bag. It has salt inside of it. So if the worst comes to worst, I can empty the plastic bag and put my cameras, try to fit my cameras into it and run towards my guest house. I know it's crazy, but and these people are going to lose their salt here, and it would validate their fear of a stranger if I steal their bag of salt. Look at this. So you guys gonna have to forgive me for doing this, but I will do it now. I will empty that bag of salt, put my cameras inside, and I'm going to start running towards my guest house, because the rain is increasing, and looking at the sky, I'm not very optimistic about rain stopping anytime soon. So if I don't see you again in this vlog, if this is the last clip, signing off. So I've made this rain cover for my DSLR camera, and the other camera that I'm shooting with is kind of splash proof, so I'm gonna go with this. And I've started running now. If I find, okay, there are some bags. Oh, there's shit here. Let's run. So I've arrived at the school to take shelter, and this school is off the main road. So now, if the rain doesn't stop, I can call someone from my guest house to pick me up on a bike or something, and it'll be easy for them to find this, because it's off the road, right off the main road. I've managed to protect this camera with this rain cover. How much did the salt cost? It's 12 rupees. Oh, I don't want to throw it now. I might need to use it again. Guys, I've decided to run again. And luckily the rain has slowed down quite a bit. But I dare not take the chance of throwing away this bag as of yet. Thank God. This is not how I expected this vlog to be. When I came out this morning, I thought I'll explore another village. We'll share a chai. But that's what traveling is all about. Real traveling is incomplete without adventures. There has to be some adventures. That's what makes any travel memorable. Hello. Hope the rain is not spoiling the harvest. Hi. I see some bikers coming from Hampi. Gangavati. Oh, Gangavati. 10 kilometers from here. I'm here, guys. Finally, I'm here. So, the real sign off is now. You won't be seeing me again in this vlog. I'm ending it here. I'll get rid of this plastic. Oh, maybe not here. I'll throw it in the dustbin. Signing off.